Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Saran Piha. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you how to look timeless every single day. So when it comes to looking timeless every single day, I believe that there are some pieces that you definitely have to have in your wardrobe that will help you to look expensive, to look well put together, timeless, and money. And I also believe that there are some pieces that you don't really have to invest your money in because it's not really an investment, it's just a waste of money. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you what to invest your money in and what not to buy in order for you to look timeless, well put together, and expensive as well. So if it's your first time watching my video, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and leave your comments below. Please give this video a thumbs up, and if you are returning to my channel, welcome back and thank you so much for your support. Without wasting your time, and let's get to the video. So in order for you to look well put together, timeless, and expensive, there are some pieces that you can invest your money in that will give you that expensive look, timeless look that you're looking for. And there are some pieces that it's not really important for you to have in your wardrobe because it's just a waste of money. So when it comes to looking expensive, looking well put together, the first thing that comes in my mind is simple. I believe simple is better, simple is wow, simple is expensive, simple is beautiful. So if you want to look expensive, you want to look well put together, you want to look responsible, try your best to go simple. Just go simple. You don't have to go too much. Don't go too much on makeup, don't go too much on jewelry, don't go too much on colors. Too much colors can be disturbing as well. And yeah, I'm also not really a fan of too much color. I know if you can just combine it well with some bright colors, it can come out right, but don't make it too much colors. You're just gonna look not really expensive. I know, don't crucify me when it comes to this. I know there are some colors that if you try it, you can look expensive, you can look well put together, you can look, give you that look that you want. So what I'm trying to say here, don't go too much colors, like colors that from afar someone can see already that it's really too bright on their eyes and it's not really expensive, it's not really beautiful. So try to go simple, try to go for colors that are very good looking, colors that are not really too much on people's eyes. Go for makeups that are not really too much on people's eyes, makeup that yourself you are okay with it, it's not really too much on your eyes. So simple is better, simple is wow, simple is okay. So when it comes to looking timeless, there are some pieces that you can invest your money in, pieces that only with one piece you can come up with so many different options. Only one piece you can look very expensive with it. So there are pieces also that you don't really have to buy because it's just not an investment. You're not gonna achieve that look that you're really looking for. So when it comes to looking expensive, pieces that you don't really have to invest your money in is trained outfit. Like, I don't know if I'm the first person or I'm the only person who's not really a fan of trained outfits. Like, I used to be such a fan of trained outfit. Like, I used to be the first person, I can say, when I see something on Instagram, I'm the first one. I will look for it until I get it. I will look for it online, I'll look for it on the store. Like, I'll ask my friends to get it for me. Like, if you get this one for me, I'll add something on top just for me to get it from you. You know what I mean? So I used to be on top of trained outfit, but what I realized that after having the specific item that I want that is really trending, I'm only gonna wear it maybe for like 1 month or 2 or maybe a week. Maybe I'm just gonna wear it once or twice. I get over it. Like, I'm so tired of it, I don't want to wear it anymore. Like, I'm just done with it. So I used to have so many trends outfit on my wardrobe and it was just there. I'm just tired of it, I don't want to wear it anymore. And I realized that it was just a waste of money. What is the point of buying something that I'm only gonna wear on a specific time or specific season or just sometime and then I'm done with it? That I don't want to invest my money into something like that. And what I also hate about trend outfits is that please guys, don't crucify me when it comes to this, please don't kill me. You know, when trend outfit comes out, you know there's a lot of fake than original. So let's say I buy my original outfit and I'm rocking it, I'm so happy that day, I look so hot in it, like it's really giving me that vibe. And when I go out, I see someone else wearing it and the person is not even rocking it, the person is just, you know, wearing it like he's just going to the neighbor, or he's just there, you know, not giving it that vibe that I gave mine. So it just makes me look so bad about my outfit now. It makes my outfit look cheap as well. So you can see that it's so I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. So that's also another thing that I don't really like trend outfit because of that. And after seeing someone not rocking the same outfit that I'm really rocking, and every time when I see something like that, when I go home, I'm done. I'm not gonna wear it anymore. Like, I'm done with it. Like, no, I'm done. So yeah, that's another thing that I don't really like, buying trend outfits. Then after that, until now, I'm here with trends, like buy. I'm not saying you don't have to buy trend outfits, you can still buy it. But what I'm trying to say is that don't make it a habit. Don't make your wardrobe to be full of trend outfit only. No, you can buy trend outfits, you can buy something if you really like it, you can buy it, but don't make your wardrobe to be full of it. You understand what I'm saying? So yeah, so the first thing, try to avoid trend outfit. So for you to achieve that expansive look, that timeless look, that well put together look that you're looking for, the first thing that I'm going to recommend, and it's very important, is invest in staple items. I'm such a fan of staple items because they're not gonna go out of style anytime soon. They will be there, here, now, and forever. And what I love about staple items, like I always say, you can style them so many different ways. You can come up with so many different styles only with one item. One item can give you so many looks. You can style it so many different ways, and on top of that, you will look so different. You will look unique when you will go out. And the first thing that I will recommend you to invest your money in is a blazer. You know, I'm such a fan of a blazer. If you watch my video, invest your money in a blazer, in a very well fit blazer, a blazer that fits you well, a blazer that really goes well with your body type. Invest your money in a blazer. A blazer can give you that expansive look that you're looking for. You can style a blazer so many different ways. You can wear it with a dress, you can wear it with a jean, with a t-shirt, with a skirt, with anything that you want. A blazer, you can style it casual, you can style it formal, you ready to go. A blazer can give you that expansive look that you want. So if you really don't have a lot of money and you want to buy something for your wardrobe, I will definitely recommend you to invest your money in a blazer. A blazer is my way to go. Like, it's a way to go. Invest your money in a very good quality blazer, a blazer that really goes well with your body, and you will never go out of style. And a blazer, if you want to buy a blazer, the blazer that I will recommend you to buy, it's a black blazer, because black goes with almost any color. Black can go with white, black can go with black can go with red, black can go with almost any color. So if you want to buy a blazer, you can start with a black blazer. That's a way to go. So the second outfit, the second piece that I will definitely recommend you to buy, a very timeless piece that will never go out of style anytime soon, it's a white shirt. A white shirt can sound so simple, like a white shirt, but now it's so very important to have a white shirt in your wardrobe, because only with one white shirt you can style it so many different ways. And a white shirt gives you also that classic look that you're looking for. It makes you look very formal, very classy, very expensive. There are so many different ways that you can style your white shirt. A white shirt is a very life-saving piece, because because you can go with it to the interview, you can go with it any way you want. You can style it formal, you can style it casual, and you're ready to go. So a white shirt, it's also a way to go, guys. If you want to invest your money in a very good quality white shirt that you can style so many different ways. You can go for a shirt that fits your body well, and you can also go for an oversized shirt. I also love buying oversized shirts because there are so many ways that you can style it, and it also gives you that good look that you want. And another piece that I will recommend you to invest your money in is a simple white t-shirt. A simple white tee can really give you that look, very clean look. A white t-shirt makes you look clean by itself already, and you don't have to do too much on a white shirt. White, I love white. White is my favorite color. A simple white t-shirt can make you look clean by itself, can make you look well put together. And a white t-shirt, you don't have to do so much with it. Just by itself, it already makes you look so simple. So you can style a simple white t-shirt with a jean, with a blazer, with a skirt, with a shorts. You can style it so many different ways, and you look unique, and you look timeless, you look well put together. And the other, my last but not least piece that you can invest your money in, that will make you look timeless, that will make you look expensive and well put together, it's a little black dress. I'm so obsessed with the little black dress these days because it's just giving me that expensive wow look that I want, a look that I'm really looking for, a look that's a simple little black dress. You're not gonna go out of style anytime soon. And there are so many ways that you can style your little black dress. You can just wear your black dress and put your blazer on top, and you're ready to go. And you can wear your simple black dress and just put a scarf on your neck, and you bag your heels, you're ready to go. And just your little black dress with your hat and your heels, or anything that you want. You can wear your little black dress with your sneakers. And there are so many ways that you can style your little black dress, and you're ready to go. So for you to look expensive, timeless, well put together, try to invest your money in staple items that you know that it's not gonna go out of style anytime soon. Pieces that you can wear over and over again this year and next year and forever. Pieces that you can come up with so many different outfits. So avoid pieces that you're just gonna wear now and you're done with it, and invest in pieces that you know you can style again and again. So yeah, that was a little bit that I wanted to share with you guys today. I hope you enjoyed my video. So if it's your first time watching my video, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and leave your comments below. Please give this video a thumbs up, and if you're returning to my channel, welcome back, and don't forget to subscribe and leave your comments below. And please, if you have more ideas, more ways on how to look timeless, please leave it on the comment down below. I'm always open to learn more. And yeah guys, I will see you on my next